Hey guys, and welcome back to the Bondi Harvest Healthy Gut series. For today's recipe, we're going to be doing a coconut curry bone broth. So it's one of my favorite ways to have bone broth. You may have heard how good it is for your gut, but this is just a little bit more of an interesting way to do it. It's just a really interesting way to have bone broth that's not just kind of drinking it straight. You make a beautiful curry paste with raw fresh ginger, fresh turmeric, lemongrass, lemon myrtle, delicious ingredients, and it's super packed with flavor. It's good for your gut because you've got that bone broth in there. So that's really high in gelatin, which is awesome. And also all those kind of ingredients like the turmeric and ginger, really anti-inflammatory, just good for your whole system. So the first step, we're going to be making the curry paste. We've got these beautiful fresh ingredients and we're just going to blend it all up and make a really concentrated curry paste. All right, so that's it all blended up, the curry paste, and you can see it makes a really good amount. So we're only going to use half of it today in this broth, but you can pour it into a jar, keep it in the fridge or freezer, and then you've got curry paste for use next time. You don't need to buy it from the store. Once that's done, the rest is super easy. We're just going to fry off some onions, put in the curry paste, let it sizzle away. That was about four to 5 tablespoons of what we just made. And now I'm just going to let that sort of sizzle off and let those flavors really develop in the pan. So you'll start to smell it. It'll be really fragrant, coconutty, lemony, super good. Pour in the broth and the coconut milk, and now I'm going to let it simmer on the stove, let those flavors develop. So I've got these beautiful different types of mushrooms. We've got shiitake, and these ones, which are my favorite, they're called enoki mushrooms. And basically they're these thin, stringy mushrooms, and they basically become noodles in the broth, and it's so good. All right, so those beautiful mushrooms have just gone in, and now I'm going to grill this bok choy just so it's ready for serving. Just be careful that you wash out the dirt because they can sometimes get stuck in those centers. Cut side down on a hot pan, like 30 seconds, 1 minute, just let it get a bit brown just to develop those flavors a little bit. All right, so that's been simmering away on that stove with those mushrooms in there, and we're ready for serving. Oh my God, this looks so good. And if you could smell this, all that ginger, turmeric, garlic, so full of flavor. Don't overfill it too much because we're gonna top it with that beautiful bok choy. Hemp seeds just to get that extra protein. And if you don't have any of those, a bit of sesame seeds is perfect, and maybe some toasted sesame oil if you want. All right, and that's it. Easy, delicious, super full of flavor. You've got that beautiful curry paste in the fridge for later use. Really good for your gut. Thanks for watching. See you next time.